Namaste and welcome to FITerala. Anulom Vilom Pranayama, also called as Alternate Nostril Breathing. In simple terms, pranayama means the practice of consciously controlling the breath. It is the process of regulating breath through certain techniques. Practically, pranayama is the art of inhalation and exhalation and of making a pause in between, that is, holding of breath. There are many varieties of pranayama, among which today I will be showing Anulom Vilom Pranayama. To perform this pranayama, we'll be using right thumb to close right nostril and ring finger to close left. Middle and index finger stays folded and the little finger just stays close to ring finger. Close the right nostril with your thumb and inhale from the left nostril. Now close the left nostril with your ring finger and release the thumb. Then exhale slowly through the right nostril. Draw the air in through the right nostril and using thumb close the right and breathe out through the left. This is one round of Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Now inhale through left, close the left, exhale through right, inhale through right, close right, exhale through left, inhale through left, close left, exhale through right, inhale through right, close right and exhale through left. Try to perform slow and deep breaths. Let's do 4 more rounds. To avoid confusion and to make it really simple, keep 2 things in mind. Number 1. After each inhalation, close that nostril. Number 2. Always use right thumb to close right nostril and ring finger to close left nostril. Also remember, after each exhalation, inhale through the same nostril. Beginners can do inhalation and exhalation with a ratio of 1:1. That is, if you are inhaling for 2 seconds, exhale also for 2 seconds. Later on, you can try to make exhalation a little longer or double that of inhalation. That is 1:2 ratio. There are numerous health benefits of pranayama. It is one of the best refreshing practices. Improves respiratory, digestive and metabolic status. Removes toxins from the body. It is very helpful in stress, anxiety, depression. Enhances overall health of the body. It can be done as a cleansing process. The intention is Nadi Shuddhi. Nadis are the imaginary parts of the vital energy, that is breath. Through pranayama practice, the energy starts to flow easily and freely through specific path or channel, that is Sushumna Nadi, which is responsible for higher senses according to ancient literature. It is best if you practice breathing exercises or pranayama daily. You may start with 5 rounds and then gradually you can move on to 10 or 15 rounds. Know your body, know your mind and enjoy the peace within. I hope you liked this video. Stay healthy. See you in my next video. Bye bye and thank you.